These websites are paying you, and you could get paid to click on ads. Look over here, there's like 50 cents, there's 25 cents, $2 right here, $15 over here, $2. So over and over, you can make this type of money just by clicking on ads. Because if you go over to Google and you're typing get paid to click ads, you will see a ton of different things going to be popping up, and they're going to show you different ways. There's like 41 best ways of doing that, different ways of how you could crush this, because I'm going to show you how this is done just by explaining to you in this video. So I'm not going to give you one, but I'm going to give you two particular websites. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, I want to say welcome. My name is Andre, and I create tons of different videos, as you can see right here. Lots of different videos and different ways how you can make money. So I want you right now to watch this video all the way to the end, because I don't want you to miss out, because I'm going to show you how you could get paid by clicking on ads. So as I said before, I'm not going to give you one method, but I'm going to share with you two. So the first website that we're going to be talking about is a website that is called Heeducom. So Heeducom is a place where anyone can come over here and they could advertise. So if there's a particular business, they could come right here, they could set it up, and they could pay this company money. And what this company does, because they have so many people viewing different ads, clicking on things, they go over here and they can advertise. So right here, people, anybody want to start advertise, they can click on here. So all you have to do is just put the name of your website, you put your URL link, and this is the overall layout of exactly what people are going to be doing. Because this particular website, they disperse anybody who decide to advertise on multiple different platforms. So how it works, as you can see, you put up your ads right here, and this is basically the website, and this is where your website screenshot will go. But you are not advertising on here. What you're going to be getting paid to do, you're going to get paid to click ads. That's all it is. You click here, you click there, and you get paid. For example, there could be websites with like picture capture, there's text capture, there's like a link website, and all you have to do is just go on there, click on them, make sure that whatever task that they give you, you get it complete, and that's how you're going to get paid, right? So most people come on here and they start advertising with just $5. $5 to a lot of people is not a lot of money. So these companies, or different affiliate marketers, or Shopify people, so many people will come on here and they will spend $100. People will spend tens and thousands of dollars just to advertise, because this particular website knows how to get stuff out there, stuff in front of the marketplace. So if you want to learn how you could get paid by clicking on ads, you come over here, and all you have to do is just hover over here and you could join. So you could join, you just make sure you put in your username, create a username that you can remember, put in your email, put your email in again, because I want to make sure that you're using the right email. And don't try to use an email that you often don't check, because you gotta have to verify it. They're gonna send you the link, and before you do all that, that's what they're gonna make sure it's verified. Make sure you put your password in, first name, last name. Are you a male? Are you a female? So country, you can pick whichever country you're from. So if you're not from the United States, make sure you find your country right here, put it in, make sure the date of birth is up to date as well, and you're gonna agree to the terms of this. Now, if you don't wanna agree to the terms just yet, make sure you click on it, make sure you read it. I always say read the terms and conditions before you do anything. So over here, you could click on these type of different things. I'm not a robot, and then you click continue. Why they want to make sure? Because people will just create different passwords, usernames, and what they do, they just create a backlog in their system. So they want to make sure it's you. So once you sign up and everything is verified, you go to your email, you click on the link to verify, then you're going to click and you can view some ads. So this is where you're going to get paid to click on ads. So right over here, there's like 5 cents per ad. There's 5 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents. This is 5 cents. It's like a song, 5 cents, 5 cents, 10 cent dollar. Pretty funny. So you got like 1 cent for this, you got a cent for this, and you just click on ads and you are going to get money. So here there's some serve bonus ads that you can even do as well. And the prize is almost gone. You're not likely to win except points until they are reset. So you can check back on Monday. So I'm creating this video today, and you can check back on Monday, whichever that is, or they will tell you to check back whichever time. So here, pretty sweet, simple. Click on ads, and once you click on the ads, you're gonna get paid to do that. So that just is one website, but of course, as I said, I'm not going to give you one website for you to go. I want you to go to multiple websites. So that means you can even make more money. So you can make money over here, and you can go over to this next particular website, which is called GPTPlanet. So GPTPlanet is, you can earn money just by doing simply tasks, and you could view ads on here, just like how I said earlier. Get paid to view ads. These are some different tasks. You can even earn more. You could do Skippy ads, medium, one ads. You can register, you can log in, and once you log in, you can start earning some money. So this website will give you 1 cent per click. Other than the other website that you can earn 5 cents, this is 1 cent. So here you can also refer people to sign up with you. So you can tell friends and family and say, hey, listen, you could sign up for this, you can make a little bit of money, and you can also make money from them because you're helping them out and they're helping out you. So minimum payout for this website is $1. So as soon as you get $1, you could go and you could put it in Bitcoin. You can go in Pioneer, you can go to AirTMA, you can go to Shrook, all these different type of things. So these are what some of the prices start if someone wants to advertise on this particular website. So $1, you get 1,000 clicks. 1,000 clicks on that, I don't think that's really cool, because if you're advertising on this, you're gonna get some people to buy, but I don't know how effective the traffic on this particular website, right? But you could try it out, you could test it. So this is where you can go, you can view ads, and when you view ads, you're gonna get paid. So get paid to click. There's different sites that you could go. You could get paid over here. You could scroll down. Even ClickSense is another great website. If you don't know what ClickSense is, they've been around for a long time, and I know a lot of people really use them. There's Neobox as well, which is a good one. So view to even earn more. If I click on Skippy ads on here, there's people, there's they earn on $10.68. So these are some of the top earners in September as well. And people are just using this and they are just crushing it. So these particular websites you can use to start get paid. Now, here's the thing about these websites, right? You're not going to make a ton of money. All you're going to do is get paid to get clicks, right? That's the only thing. So as I said, if you want to go search, Google, get paid to get clicks, you can find tons and tons of different ways how you can even get paid. But again, if you want to spend a lot of time doing this, great. If you're like me and you are looking for something more, something that can give you more money, something about more life-changing, I invite you to check out on the first link in any one of my videos. You could check out the link, and then once you see that link, you could get signed up and you could get started. So, but make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video. Share this with someone, because I know there's a lot of people out there right now that will do good with this. And I also want you to go check out this, how you can earn $25 by clicking one button. This is some easy work. This is some light work that you can do, and you can get started and you can make money. So don't forget to smash that like button. I'll catch you on the next video. The name is Andre, and click on the link in my bio and check out my #1 recommendation. Peace.